Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I did these clear lip glosses. I did add some orange pieces to them. And these are cosmetic grade, so no, it won't harm you. It won't do anything to you. And they are grapefruit scented. This is the oil that I used. But it does smell like oranges, so I just thought, why not put oranges in there? And this video is long overdue, but I haven't had any time to do any videos, so here I am. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, add me on social media, and let's get right into the video.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody notice me.
So here I am pouring the lip gloss base into a disposable plate. For this you want a deeper plate, but I couldn't find none in the 99-cent store, so I ended up buying these and it did not work. So you might want to get the deeper ones. To smoothen up the lip gloss base, you want to use some fractionated coconut oil. I got this one from Amazon for about $11.99 or $16.99. I can't really remember. And since I already mastered the measurements, I know how much I'm pouring, but usually it's 5 teaspoons. If it's not smooth enough, you will add more. And I am using the preservative oil. If you want to sell the lip gloss, this is what you will be using. Now I'm using the olive oil. You don't want to use too much of this because it changes the color of the lip gloss. Like I stated in previous videos, you have to research your own oils. These are not all the oils that I use, but this is all I will be using on camera. So this is when it got really hard to mix because all the oils were overflowing, so I decided to mix it and then add the scented oil. This is why you need a deeper container. Now I'm adding my scented oil. As you guys can see, the lip gloss did change in color just a little bit. That's why you don't want to add too much of the olive oil. Now I'm adding the little orange pieces into the lip gloss, and I'm using the tweezer seducer because my nails are super long and I couldn't get it in one by one, so I'm using the tweezer. I'm using the 60 ml syringe, and I'm going to be adding a pipette to that, and I already cut off the ends, my bad. This is why it's better to use a syringe with a wider opening. That way you can just drop the lip gloss in there, you don't have to do too much. By the way, I never filled the syringe all the way to the top because it makes it harder to push the lip gloss out into the tube. If that makes sense, I like to hold on to the sides because it makes it easier to get the lip gloss inside. like removing my gloves when I'm placing the caps on the lip glosses because the gloves has a lot of lip gloss on it and that makes it very messy. So I removed the gloves, and yes, my hands are clean, so yeah. So this is what the lip gloss looks like after I finish, and if you guys can go around using the olive oil, I would suggest that you do so. It doesn't really look that yellowish on camera, but it did come out a little yellowish and I didn't like that. So if I could go around